Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We're going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This week, the single European currency suffered losses. The weak macroeconomic data and tensions in the political conflict between the EU officials and Italy put the euro under pressure. Amid that, the euro-dollar pair is likely to maintain the bearish bias. Hello, Peter. Do you expect continuation of the downward trend?
Hello there, traders. The euro versus US dollar basically traded lower as we expected last week, but euro is right now near the key support level around 1.1110. So be very careful selling into this key support, because we may see also the rotation and potential rally on the euro versus US dollar. And my advice is basically, because we didn't saw the big selling and big test of that 1.110 support, then you should watch for buying opportunities. Also, the rate of change indicator suggesting us there is we got a 3 days high to low. And we should expect rally in the next few days on the euro. The upward targets are set at the price of 1.1192 and 1.1265. Anyway, if you see the strong breakout of the key support at 1.1110, then there is a potential for more downside and potential test of the 1.1 level. But for now, since the euro traded 3 days in a row high to low, the rally is actually more likely. So watch for buying opportunities on the euro versus US dollar.
Is it possible that traders will change their attitude towards the British pound?
On the British pound versus US dollar, the situation is similar. The British pound actually got extended down round, so we traded like 15 days here in a row. Price went downward, and in my opinion, we are seeing potential balancing on the British pound versus US dollar. So be very careful with selling this currency pair, because the rally is expected. Anyway, I will tell you opinions for the two scenarios that I created. First of all, the key support is set at the price of 1.2605. As long this support is holding and you don't see the strong breakout of this support, watch for the bullish scenario and potential test of the 1.2730. In case if you see the strong breakout of this support, then this will mark potential test of the 1.2480. Again, currently the supply is not that big, and the rally is more likely. But again, be prepared for both scenarios. And my first pick will be to try to buy the British pound versus US dollar and to go for potential rally, but be prepared for both scenarios.
The Canadian dollar took a nosedive this week. Apart from falling oil prices, the expectations of monetary policy easing by the Bank of Canada weighed against the loonie. Peter, what's your outlook for the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair?
I decided to show you the USD Canadian dollar because there is such a good opportunity on this currency pair. Basically what I found is that we got a fake breakout of the 20-day balance. So basically the USD tried to go above the balance, the resistance at the 1.3520, and failed to sustain higher prices. Actually we got a buying climax after the news from Canada. And this is basically a big sign that the weakness incoming of this currency pair, the Canadian might be, the USD CAD can be a very good currency pair to sell. The destination for this trade, since the price actually tried to go above the resistance and failed, the destination for this trade becomes a support and the low of this 20-day balance, which is around 1.3380. So watch for selling opportunities on the USD Canadian dollar due to the fake breakout of the 20-day balance.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.